What is going on, everybody? It is Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man, and I am excited to show somebody on here, one of the subscribers on here. His name is Tim B, and I noticed the logo on his, I don't know what you want to call it, his icon in this St. Louis, and he knows what I'm talking about. I asked him, I said, is he a St. Louis fan? He said, since he was a little boy, and he said till the day he dies. So Tim B, I got a surprise that's going to blow your mind. But watch this video all the way through. I'm doing a song that you requested too. This song was requested by Tim B. It's by Artic Monkeys, and I guess it's called Do I Wanna Know. But I'm telling you, for all you guys that's gonna be watching this, because he's a St. Louis Cardinals fan, I want y'all all to watch this video and watch it to the end because it's an awesome surprise, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this video.
You got color in your cheeks. Do you ever get that feel that you can't shift, the tide that sticks around like summits in your teeth? Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sad to see you go. Sorta hoping that you'd stay. We both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you, never thought of calling when you're at you, 'cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being lost to fall for somebody new. Now I thought it through, crawling back to you. So have you got the goods? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should. Simmer down and poker up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the cusp. I've tried to kiss you. I don't know if you feel the same as I do, but we could be together if you wanted to. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sad to see you go. We're sorta hoping that you'd stay. Didn't we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day? Crawling back to you, never thought of calling when you've had a few, 'cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being lost to fall for somebody new.
All right, sweet. Yeah, Tim B. Yeah, that was pretty. That was pretty good, man. That guitar riff in there, that was really good. I don't know if y'all was paying attention to it because I liked that. It sounded familiar though, but I can't put my finger on it. But yeah, that was a pretty good song and all that. Again, those riffs, the guitar riffs, along with that, just that basic beat, that poof, ta, poof, that was pretty good. That down, da da down, 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 that was pretty sweet. So yeah, that was Arctic Monkeys. Do I Want to Know? And the imagery in there was throwing me off for a little bit. At first I thought I was just gonna stay with the little lines and all that, but then all of a sudden all this animation and stuff started coming out, so it was something that kind of grabs your attention, and it was cool. But at the same time, I had to refocus myself back on listening to the music versus looking at the imagery and all that stuff that was being flashed on there. But anyway, yeah, Tim B, St. Louis Cardinals. That was pretty solid, man. And stay tuned because I'm getting ready to surprise you with something. So watch this. Y'all see Fred Bird here. We go way back. You know, when we were like little eggs and all that stuff like that. He grew a little faster than me. But hey, I'm trying to catch up to him and all that good stuff. I haven't got my feathers yet because, you know, I'm not ready to leave the nest. But he was able to go. That's why, you know, you see that he's working with the Cardinals. He got a job. I don't, because I'm staying at home. I'm staying in the nest forever. You know what?
We won in 2011. So this is the World Series ring. This is the National Championship.
Right.
I'll show you this one. Get all this stuff out.
Especially surprised there's not a special little code to get into that box. What is that?
I need like a credit card to get that top off.
Oh, okay.
Now let me show you the rings actually. This is the national.
That's a ring. That's a miniature bracelet.
Kind of goes like this. That's the National Championship. What you probably want to do is you probably want to get it out and hold it. You want to take a good picture of it, so just like hold it like that and snap it. You know what I'm saying? Like that. That's the National. Yeah.
Right, I know, right?
That's the National Championship ring. Check it out. This is the series ring right here. I'll get it out for you.
I mean, that's like the pinnacle, man. That's, gosh.
It's got 103 diamonds. It's got 50 custom cut rubies, and it's made out of 14 karat white gold.
What they say, that's major blingage.
That's some
Man,
bling.
how many?
103 diamonds.
I thought you might like that. That man in that video right there is somebody who has been like the pinnacle of a father figure to me. His name is Dr. Wendell Beckton. And he would, this man is the reason why I got into college, the reason why I even knew what college was. In my other videos, in my my God/church topics, I talk in some of my sessions about mentors that I have, or I say a father figure mentor. It's that guy right there. This man was a team physician for the St. Louis Cardinals for a while, and he would take me to a game if I wanted to go, and I got to be right there on the field with the players, watch them practicing hitting and all that stuff before games, and made them take the balls that they were practicing with and throw them up into the crowd and all that. Look at that, a kid from darn the ghetto being able to have that experience like that, and to be able to share that experience with him of having a World Series ring and all that. You know, if you're part of the staff, the whole staff got it. So it was just really incredible to be able to get a World Series ring and all that. And so for that type of thing in that career, you know, that's the pinnacle. Sports medicine doctor and all that. You know, no matter what field you in, physical therapy, sports medicine, athletic trainer, you part of that staff, to be able to get a ring like that is awesome. You know, so anyway, Tim B, I knew that you probably would be like, what in the world, are you serious? Yeah, so yeah, it's kind of cool. I got a little bit of connections and all that. So anyway, this is Modern Renaissance Man. Hope all of you guys enjoyed that, and I'm pretty sure that was a nice surprise, a nice little thing for Tim B. Look, you just never know who you might meet, right? All right, Modern Renaissance Man, get ready to sign out. Hope you all have food. Hope you all have clothes. Hope you all have a roof over your head, and I pray and hope that you guys all are in perfect health. God bless you.